What if I told you there's a machine in Alaska that can control the weather and even your thoughts? It's not science fiction. It's called HAARP, and it's real. The official story? A harmless research program. The truth, something far more disturbing. Welcome to The Hidden Chapter by Mr.R, where history's secrets are finally unsealed. In today's episode, we investigate the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, or HAARP, a government project cloaked in mystery, fear, and conspiracy. From weather warfare to mind control, what is HAARP really doing up there in the frozen north? HAARP was established in 1993 by the U.S. Air Force, Navy, DARPA, and the University of Alaska. Its purpose: to study the ionosphere, the electrically charged layer of Earth's atmosphere. Using a field of 180 antennas, HAARP beams powerful radio waves into the sky, heating the ionosphere. This allows scientists to analyze communication signals, satellite interactions, and more. But here's where it gets strange. Shortly after HAARP went online, weather anomalies began to spike. Unusual cloud formations, unseasonal storms, sudden earthquakes. People began asking, is HAARP tampering with nature itself? Weather warfare isn't a fantasy. In fact, the U.S. military openly discussed it in the 1996 Air Force document, Weather as a Force Multiplier. Imagine triggering droughts in enemy nations, steering hurricanes, or even causing blizzards on command. With HAARP's capabilities, some say this is already happening. In 2010, a devastating earthquake struck Haiti.
At 4:53 p.m. on January 12, 2010, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake hit Haiti, followed by 2 large aftershocks on the same day, and many smaller ones throughout the next 2 weeks. Over 220,000 people died, and more than 1 million were left homeless. Natural disasters are catastrophic geological or meteorological events that often cause many deaths and severely damage human health, the environment, property, and infrastructure. Some natural disasters, such as hurricanes or wildfires, have seasons. Some, like earthquakes, can happen at any time. Different types of natural disasters can be more common in specific regions. For example, in the U.S., tornadoes most frequently occur in parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska, a region known as Tornado Alley. Although more advanced early warning systems and disaster management have significantly lowered the number of deaths resulting from natural disasters, there is still much to improve. Lower income and non-white communities in the U.S. are often hit hardest by natural disasters because they have fewer resources for preparation and recovery. Many developing countries do not have adequate early warning systems or the financial means to rebuild after a natural disaster. Weather-related natural disasters are occurring more often now, as climate change has increased the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Protecting against natural disasters requires a multi-pronged approach, building resilient infrastructure and providing resources before a disaster strikes, as well as investing in better forecasting systems.
Within hours, Venezuelan President Hugo Chavez accused HAARP of triggering it.
Chavez has once again accused the United States of playing God, but this time it's Haiti's disastrous earthquake that he thinks the U.S. was behind. Spanish newspaper ABC quotes Chavez as saying that the U.S. Navy launched a weapon capable of inducing a powerful earthquake off the shore of Haiti. He adds that this time it was only a drill, and the final target is destroying and taking over Iran. The existence of a tectonic weapon has never been proved, but its use is often suspected by conspiracy theorists. For example, the leader of Georgia's Green Party accused Russia of being behind
absurd?
an earthquake on
Maybe. But seismic experts confirmed unusual ionospheric activity was recorded days before. Some theorists believe HAARP can influence human brainwaves. The frequencies it emits in ELF and VLF ranges match those of human brain activity. Could it manipulate thoughts, control moods, cause confusion or aggression on a mass scale? These ideas echo earlier CIA projects like MK-Ultra, but on a global level. In 2014, the military claimed it shut down HAARP and transferred control to the University of Alaska. But visits revealed the site is still powered, still transmitting, and still classified in many ways. So was the transfer real or just a cover?
HAARP is real. Its technology is powerful. That much is certain. But are we seeing the full picture, or just what they want us to see? Is HAARP an innocent research station, or the most dangerous weapon ever built?
Thank you for watching The Hidden Chapter by Mr.R. If this episode opened your eyes, subscribe, share, and join us as we uncover the secrets they buried.